we have to always notice the open interest as we are looking at bank nifty which will be expiring on 3rd March of this year. And as we are going long, so we are trading CE at 37,400. We are in the last hours of the day. At present it is 2:45, as you can see. So we can see it is a heavy volume, like 84,000 people are trading there as of now. If you go at the stock details as of here, so you can see that the 6 crore, sorry, 65 lakhs people are trading as of now, and the volume is increasing, right? So earlier their low was 49, and today's today's low was 49.30, and the high was of 194, right? So that is what we are doing. Upper circuit and lower circuit is there. So we are looking at the chart and how we can uh, find a point where we can enter into the trade. So as you can see that it is forming a pole over here. Okay, it has already given us a breakout from 120 to 135, and then now it has traced back, as you must know that it is an option, and the theta is the factor which is involved here, which is working against us as we are in long over here. So our next strategy on the system will be we'll just wait to see what exactly the market is doing, because as you can see that our next support point is 125. So if it is able to break 125 and having a very high volume of 87 lakhs as we have seen, so I think that it is going to give us a breakout again, and we'll be able to get 10 points out of it. So I'm just looking for, and our entering point into the trade will be around 125. So if it is able to reach a point of 125 with a great volume, then it will be a right place for us to enter the trade. So as you can see that it is getting a resistance at 118, and the earlier candle support level of 114 is still maintained. Super trend indicator is there. It is giving us a sign of selling, that then the stock is going to go down, and as we can see from the volume as well. So I think it is going to go down for some time. But sometime if you're working in a small time frame that is of 2 minutes, so it might happen, it might not give you the right direction. So you just have to wait for the candle to complete. So as our earlier system was that if we reach 125, then it is going to give us a breakdown, and I will buy 100 lots. One lot is of 25 unit. So I'm just waiting either way. If it crosses 125, then I'll be entering the trade, and let's wait and watch what happens, as we see that it is getting good volume. So it is very obvious that it is again going to cross 125, as we can see that we're getting a huge volume, so it might take 1 to 2 minutes. So as you can see that it is gaining volume. you just need to wait for some time to see what exactly how the market is behaving. In this scenario, what happened is, because it is gaining a good volume, so it might go up, and however our entry point is at 125, so we need not worry. After it reaches 125, we are going to get a breakout, that is for sure. So we just have to wait we do not have to enter here. After it crosses 125, then only we will be entering. As you can see, the previous was a red candle, and the volume was also decreasing, so it might also go down, but let's see what happens. The wick is on upper side, so if right, it is going up, right. Now we are going to get a breakout at 125. If it touches 125, we'll be entering the trade. So it is the system which you have to follow. Otherwise, if you're not following the system, then it might, see, now it is going to give us a breakout. 125, I'm already in trade. See, see, you see 128. Now it is backed up with a good volume. So our target is of 10 points, that will be 135. So 130, 131, okay, come on. We'll trailing our stop losses for 5 points. So I don't have any doubt, because it is backed by volume as well. So it might take some time, but you should keep trailing your stop losses. So if it comes back at 125, then my stop loss will be hit, because I'm at break even. So it is backed by volume, and I think I'll be able to reach the target of 135 very soon. You see, here we have hit our target, and it is giving a breakout. See, we will just keep trailing our stop losses. So that is the beauty of this trading. You will not make any losses if you are following a system, and wait the market to respond in your way. You should not follow the market. You should. So I'm okay. So I'm out, because I have trailed my stop losses at 130. Okay, good. Now see, now it is going down. So you do not have to be very greedy, because it can turn upside down in a second. So you just have to make sure that you reach your target and get out of the market. Thank you. I hope this video was very informative, and if it was, please hit a like, and watch this video again and again, so you will get to know how exactly the market is behaving, and what's the psychology behind it. So yeah, and one more thing, that you should not invest all of your money in one trade. If you are a beginner, then you should not be investing all of your money in one trade, and have a system before you are going to invest your money. And you should have a target in point, at what point you will come out of the trade, because if you're not coming out of the trade, if I have not exited out at 135, then I might have lost the advances that I had. And you can see that my stop loss was at 125, which I trailed, right? So that is the way how we should trade. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in another video. Please comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet.